Wow, I love working for this company. We see stuff all the time that I've never seen before. Chucky, what's up, man? You gonna come? Like it's like that now, dude. Every junkyard gotta have a dog. I don't know, we may get a better one. No, he's a great dog. I've never been around anything like this. These big dirt movers, dump trucks, haulers. I know they're called something else, but yeah, this just showed up. Pretty cool. I don't get to mess with stuff like this. Golly, I know about as tall as my forehead. I ain't no tall guy. Sure ain't no fall guy either. Pretty cool. I don't know if it showed up with the motor or without the motor and we got it out. I don't think so. I don't think we got it out. Ain't nobody here to do it. We're all busy working somewhere else. We're all out in the field now. What's in here? Oh, god dang. I mean, how am I going to make a video and not even know what to call a video? Oh, here's a little knick-knack I found in a car today. My kid will like that. Y'all know I love my knick-knack paddywhacks. There's some stairs here. Dang, it's dusty and dirty in there. Golly. I mean, on the real. Man, it's look kind of like a set up like a loader. Got a hand control over there, forward and backwards. I mean, looks like a loader to me. I mean, I know it's not a loader, but oh, we still got some. Wow. Yeah, I don't get to mess around with stuff like this. I'm not around dirt. I mean, God made dirt and dirt don't hurt, but I never went that way. And that kind of work. I've just been moving cars around. Pretty cool. Man, I gotta back like a long way away to try to get this whole thing in the view. There we go. That's how far I got to get away from it to get it all inside the screen. Nope, I still ain't got it all. Awesome. I love this job. I mean, I'd like to drive one, but just messing around and climbing on one is cool. Hey, y'all be careful, be kind. We're going to do a live tomorrow. For real. Merry Christmas, guys. Thank ya.